Hello, mates. This is Brother Barnes, and it's time to do your final. Just about over, isn't it? I asked you a long time ago to register for your final by clicking on this link. If we look at assignments, your midterm and your final count 50% total of your grade. And as you can see, your final exam is half of a 50% total. Also, there is a practice final exam. As I as I told you on the midterm, I would take this at least 3 times before I go to do my final. That would be minimal. I want to say this. A lot of you are in the class because you are going into healthcare. So bless you on your journey. And I think you're going to be an encouragement to your patients, people that you serve. Blessings to you.